Let's proceed. Changing cases. While using flash fill can work in this case, give an example, an Excel follows suit. Okay. I remember telling you in the last class that at times you might not want a situation, you might not want to follow that example. For instance, let's say here I want to change all these names to uppercase. Okay, capital letters. What do? I can give an example. White. Press enter and then press Ctrl E. Once I press Ctrl E, you can see every other thing now is uppercase. All uppercase. Do you see that? Okay. But what if this input has been changed to black? You see this input? Someone now change it to black or African American and I press enter. The uppercase is meant to change to uppercase black or African American as well. But it's still showing white. Okay. So I might need something that would dynamically change whatever I have in a cell to uppercase. So this is where my function comes in. So the function I'm going to use is the upper equal to upper, UPPER. I would open brackets. Then I'll select the text I want to convert to uppercase, this text. Once I click on the cell, the reference appears inside my formula and I will close the bracket and press enter. You can see that it gives me the same output. I'll click on that cell and I'll come to the bottom right corner, double click so that it goes all the way down, isn't it? Now, what if I change the value in this cell? Remember the formula here is referencing A2. It is not referencing white, it is referencing A2. So meaning anything in A2 is what it will convert to uppercase. So let's click here and convert this, change this to a different thing. Let's say black or African American. Once I press enter, you can see the value here as well changes. You can see that it changes as well to black or African American. Okay. So that is the advantage of making use of functions at times in place of what's it called? In place of the flash fill. Okay. So for lowercase, I'll say equal to lower, open bracket, and I'll reference the text. Reference this. Now close bracket and press enter. You can see everything is all lower. Okay. Then I'll double click here and it goes down automatically. Okay. So if you have here proper case equal to proper, all right, and then you reference the particular data, or let's see, let me reference this uppercase now where I have all uppercase. I reference it, I close it, and I press enter. You can see what the proper case does is that every word, the first letter of every word gets capitalized. The first letter of every word gets capitalized. So I'll just double click this, pam pam, and it goes all the way down. Okay, so this is uppercase. This that you are seeing here is uppercase. Okay, this that you are seeing here is lowercase. All right, and this that you are seeing here is, we usually call it sentence case or proper case, but this is Excel, so it's proper case. Okay. Okay, proper case again. Now, for proper case, I said for proper case equal to proper, the function is proper. Okay, then you open bracket. Now I'm going to reference the column where I have all uppercase so that you'll be able to see the effect. So this is what I'm referencing, this one. And I close the bracket and press enter. Okay, I come back here and then I double click. Do you see that? So it goes all the way down for me. Okay, so the same way I applied the proper is the same way you apply lower, equal to lower, and then you open brackets.
Drop your questions in the comment section. Thank you.